Question 2. Two cars A and B 180 kilometers apart started a journey at the same time towards each other. Let's try to visualize this. This is A and this is B. The distance between them is 180 kilometers. If the speed of A is x kilometers per hour, so it is going here x kilometers per hour, and B is 20 kilometers lesser, x minus 20 kilometers per hour towards this direction. Calculate the distance covered by each car just at where they met after 90 minutes. Since it is kilometer per hour and hour here, so 90 minutes should be changed to hours first, which is 1.5 hour, right? 1.5. This is what we will use now. We know that the distance equal to speed times time. So let's assume that they meet here at this point. Okay, so let's assume that this distance covered by A is say m kilometers, and this distance covered by B is n kilometers. I gave more distance to A because it is faster. This one is 20 kilometers slower, so I gave more distance to M. So we can say that M plus N is 180 kilometers, isn't it? We can see here total is 180 and we have divided into two parts, M and N. Now distance is speed times time, so M will be distance covered by A is speed is x times time. Time is 1.5. Let's try to multiply, which will be 1.5x. Similarly, we can find n also in terms of x, which will be the speed, which is x minus 20, and time is again how much? 1.5 hours. So if we expand this bracket, it becomes 1.5x minus 20 times 1.5, which will be 30. This is the distance n covered by the car B. So now M plus N is 180, we know, so we can add this. This is M and this is N. Their sum is 180. So let's do that. 1.5x plus 1.5x minus 30. This is M, this is N, is equal to 180. So 1.5 plus 1.5, 3x minus 30 equal to 180. 3x will be equal to 180 plus 30 when 30 comes to the right side. 3x equal to 210, and x will be 210 divided by 3, which is 70 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of car A. So let's see what are they asking. Calculate the distance covered by each car. So they're not asking x, they're asking the distance. Basically they're asking what is M and what is N. So let's find M equal to 1.5 times x, which is 1.5, and x is now known to us 70, which will be 105 kilometers. N equal to 1.5x minus 30, which is, we already know 1.5x, we got 105, minus 30, which is 75 kilometers. Is 105 and 75 total 180? That's correct. And now we can write our final statements as car A traveled 105 kilometers, whereas car B traveled 75 kilometers. M and N was our creation, so do not leave your answer here. Give a proper statement after completing your question.